Alright, y'all, we back. Another video. Thank y'all for tuning in. We finna, I think I see we got a fresh leak down there. So we're gonna use our UV light to see where that's coming from to follow up from the last video. But we also finna get ready to finish up this exhaust. Currently, let me show you how it sits. So basically, this is the end of it right here. Let me see. Boost up that. Up, wrong way. Alright, there you go. So yeah, basically, it is a straight shot. However, it just stops right here, which is right by the gas tank, which is right there with the truck. So what we want to do is to have it come out, probably just go all the way the rest of the way back, honestly. So what I'm gonna do with my handy dandy tape measure, I'm gonna measure, I guess, how far I wanted to go back, and then we'll go from there. I might go ahead and take it all the way out the back, but I don't know. And then I gotta find my clamps that go on the exhaust, because I just realized I never came back and put them on, so they're just kind of hanging on there. So we'll get all that tidied up and get that finished, and then we should be Gucci to go. Let me see if I can add a little bit more brightness. All right, there you go. So yeah, a little bit brighter. Now you can see all the way. You can see all down there. But yeah, same thing on this side. So I'm gonna measure from there back and see how exactly we wanted to come out. All right, so after measuring, about 5 feet would be ideal to go ahead, and that should be enough to run both sides the rest of the way back. These Flow Masters that I got, or the Flow Master 10s, 2.5 in, 2.5 out. So you're gonna need about 10 feet of pipe. You know what I'm saying? I just so happen to have 10 feet of pipe from my local parts store. So we got 10 feet. Cut it into 2 5-foot sections. Using our handy dandy Milwaukee abrasive cutoff machine, aka chop saw, and we should be good. So let me get this cut and then I'll cut y'all back on. All right, so we pretty much got it all set up. We're gonna end up plugging directly into the wall there. Probably open this garage up a little bit. A little bit of extra ventilation. As you can see, I've made my mark. I've made sure it's gonna touch down where I need it to touch down. I got it tightened in there. So from here it should be smooth sailing. So let's get busy, man. Alright, let's try this again. This time without the oops. All right. Pretty clean cut for the most part. A little bit there on the edge where it acted like it didn't want to go through. So we'll clean it up and then go from there. All right, so let me show you what we got. So we got the first test fit up under the back of the truck here. And the first thing you're gonna notice is that one of these is not like the other. One of these is definitely not like the other. So I'm gonna eyeball it because it ain't that serious. I mean, it is. I mean, technically I could leave it like that, but that's not how we roll. So basically what I'm gonna do, basically I'm gonna just try to do my best to eyeball the difference. It's not much from what I can tell. All right. Roughly right about here. So we're gonna pull this one off, go back, chop that off, and see how good or how bad I was. All right, so we got our mark made. Going back in the garage, get it set up, get it cut, and I'll cut you back on. Alright, so now it's time to see how good or how bad my eyeball was for the adjust. Alright, so looking at it from here, I mean, that's pretty damn good. I mean, it's probably off a little bit. It might be off just a little bit, but that's pretty damn good for an eyeball. So yeah, so now that that is on there, I'm probably gonna have to run some exhaust hangers. These are like the original ones. I don't know if that's gonna be able to work. Originally that's what I was hoping or planning for. I might just have to cut this hardware off, but honestly, like this one, but yeah, it can move over. It could probably move over and down and then right off into there. And then for this side, I feel like it's a whole lot more off. It's not even close. So we probably just run some kind of exhaust hanger right here through the top of there, and then have it hang down from there to secure it. So it's good to go. But the biggest question is, the people want to know, how does it sound? So let's see if it make a difference. I know I don't have it all secured up and everything, but you know, just to give you an idea if it makes a change in the way it sounded before. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a before, and I'm not gonna go pull these pipes off. So adding an extra 5 feet of pipe to the exhaust system, how will it change the note? About to find out right now. Try to put y'all in a good spot so y'all can hear. Y'all might not even be able to hear nothing from the front. Just going to the back now. Chevy sheet. So first off, I can tell you it doesn't sound as loud and aggressive as it did before in person. I'm in the middle of a video, you'll have to hold like 5 minutes. You're gonna have to hold that shit. So, as you can see, because it's putting our output pretty much back here to the back of the truck, it does, I feel like, kind of change the exhaust note some. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all think it sound better? Sound worse? Not as aggressive? More aggressive? Y'all let me know, man. I'm gonna go get this rest of the stuff that I need to finish up securing it and everything, and then we're gonna go from there. What is that about? Video coming soon, I assume. And we out. Gone.